feel like one income just isn't income anymore because honestly, it's not just you. Everything seems or feels like it's getting more expensive, but the paycheck stays the same. I remember sitting with bills in front of me and thinking, how is this even possible? I wasn't lazy or I wasn't ungrateful. I was just a mom trying to stretch one income, trying to cover everything with that one income. And if every month feel like a new level of stress. That's why I start learning how to earn online in a simple beginner friendly way. Something I could do literally while my boys taking a nap or playing, and one decision changed everything for me or for me and my family. If you are the stressed out stay-at-home mommy on the other side, tired of depending on one income too, you're not stuck, my dear. There's a way that actually works where you could learn digital marketing skills, high income skills, and change your life completely with a 2 hour workday. If you want to know the steps, the exact same steps I've been using, the same steps that took me from being stressed out, overwhelmed to start earning in dollars, put a word me in my comments, and I will love to equip you with all the details.